Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and select Home button. Then you need to choose Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Following that, click on Choose Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to go with Browser app, tap on Opera and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!